Today we're testing out a wireless mechanical keyboard, and at this price point, I'm hoping it's going to be good. This is the PIXIU 98 from WEGEAR, and it comes shipped to your door ready for some gaming. First of all, the packaging feels really premium. It's a nice unboxing experience. Inside, you can find a sticker, a beefy manual, a wireless receiver, a braided USB-C cable that feels really high quality, a keycap puller, the keyboard, and looks like that's everything. First impressions, the keyboard feels like it has a good build. It has some weight to it. On the front, you have a USB-C port and a toggle to swap from Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz, and USB-C connection types. The bottom is red and catches your eye, but I'm biased. I love black and red together. The kickstands feel really rugged. Not the most rugged I've ever used. Definitely the second best though. And then I like the graphics around the keyboard too. The little pops of red are nice to see. The tops of the keys have a slate black cover with red lettering. Then the sides of the keys are transparent to let the backlighting through. Next, I plugged it in to give it a charge, and it immediately connected and lit up. The transparent sides of the keys help diffuse the backlight and make it so it's not so harsh on the eyes. It's subtle, yet it catches your eye. You can use the hotkeys to adjust the settings and change the color effects. Or you can use the app where you have even more control. There's a lot of cool ones, but my favorites are the ones that respond to your keystrokes. You can also use the app to set up macros, adjust your performance, or even upload your own image for the screen. And the picture quality on that little screen is impressive too. But the main screen gives you extra info like battery percentage, so I prefer to use that one. Then you can use the volume wheel to easily turn up and down your volume. And if you push in the wheel, you can cycle through your lighting effects as well. I did some test typing, and the keys feel really nice. They're really quiet too. They feel really lightweight, but not in a cheap way. It seems like they shaved off some weight, so the keys will snap back up even quicker. And that's because the Cherry MX2A red switches underneath. I also like this keyboard because it has a number pad. I use that a lot for work. But even with the number pad, it's still compact enough for gaming. I hooked up the dongle and switched the keyboard to 2.4 GHz mode, then played some games. I didn't experience any latency issues, and the keyboard worked like a charm. So far, I'm really liking this keyboard. My only complaint is that the tops of the keys aren't transparent. So in the dark, you can't see which key is which. But if you're familiar with the keyboard, you can find the raised bumps on the F and J key, and then find your place pretty easily. I need to test more keyboards in this price range to see if it's worth it, but it definitely feels like a premium product, and I'm happy with it. So if you're looking for a nice keyboard that looks fancy, performs well, and is quiet, this one from WEGEAR might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go play some more video games. See ya.